Navigation and GPS, an in-depth guide. Navigation and GPS are technologies that help people and devices determine their location and find the best routes to their destinations. Let's break down these concepts, their associated technologies, and how they are used in real life. Navigation. Navigation is the process of planning, recording, and controlling the movement of a craft or vehicle from one place to another. It can be as simple as finding your way to a friend's house or as complex as guiding an airplane across continents. Navigation relies on various tools and methods. 1. Maps, physical or digital representations of geographic areas, showing roads, landmarks, and other features. 2. Compass, a device that shows directions north, south, east, west. 3. Landmarks, natural or man made features that help in determining location and direction. 4. Dead reckoning, estimating your current position based on a previously known position, speed, time, and direction of travel. GPS, Global Positioning System. GPS is a satellite-based navigation system that provides location and time information anywhere on or near the Earth, where there is an unobstructed line of sight to 4 or more GPS satellites. How GPS work, satellites. The GPS system consists of a constellation of at least 24 satellites orbiting the Earth. These satellites continuously send signals to Earth. 2. Receivers. Devices like smartphones, car navigation systems, and dedicated GPS units receive these signals. 3. Triangulation. The GPS receiver uses the signals from at least 4 satellites to calculate its exact position through a process called triangulation. The receiver measures the time it takes for the signals to reach it from the satellites, calculates the distance to each satellite, and then determines its location based on these distances. Key concepts in GPS. 1. Waypoints. Specific geographic locations defined by coordinates, latitude and longitude that can be used to mark points of interest or destinations. 2. Routes. Paths created by connecting a series of waypoints used to navigate from one location to another. 3. Accuracy. The degree to which the GPS readings reflect the true position. Accuracy can be affected by factors like signal obstruction, tall buildings, trees, atmospheric conditions, and quality of the GPS receiver. Real-life use cases. 1. Driving directions. Use case: a family is planning a road trip from New York City to Orlando, Florida. How it works: they enter the destination into their car's GPS navigation system. The system calculates the best route, considering factors like traffic, road conditions, and distance. As they drive, the GPS provides real-time directions, alerts them to upcoming turns, and recalculates the route if they miss a turn or encounter a detour. 2. Fitness tracking. Use case: a runner wants to track their morning jog. How it works: the runner uses a smartwatch with GPS capability. The watch records the route, distance, speed, and elevation changes during the run. After the run, the data is synced to a fitness app where the runner can review their performance and progress over time. 3. Emergency response. Use case: a hiker gets lost in a remote area and calls for help. How it works: the hiker's smartphone uses GPS to determine their exact location. This location is sent to emergency responders who use the coordinates to find and rescue the hiker quickly. 4. Fleet management. Use case: a logistics company wants to optimize the routes of its delivery trucks. How it works: each truck is equipped with a GPS tracker. The company's dispatch center monitors the real-time location of all trucks. The system calculates the most efficient routes for deliveries, considering traffic, road closures, and other factors. The dispatch center can provide drivers with updated routes and instructions as needed. 5. Geocaching. Use case: a family is participating in a geocaching treasure hunt. How it works: they use a GPS-enabled device to find specific waypoints where small treasures, geocaches, are hidden. The coordinates of each geocache are provided as clues. The family navigates to each waypoint using their GPS device, searching for the hidden treasures and logging their finds. Conclusion. Navigation and GPS technologies have revolutionized how we find our way and manage movement. From everyday tasks like driving to complex applications in logistics and emergency response, these technologies provide accuracy, efficiency, and safety. By understanding the basics and seeing real-life examples, we can appreciate the profound impact they have on our daily lives.